Jai Shri Krishna friends, welcome to my health and taste. I know I'm back after a long time, but I'm back with a very yummy recipe that is our Oreo Nutella Shake. Since summers are coming, we are making this chill shake. I hope you'll all enjoy this. So first of all, in a mixie jar, we'll add some milk. So the milk should be full cream or tetra pack, and it should be 3/4 of the quantity of the glass that you are taking the measurement of. Then we'll add some Bura or powdered sugar. Then I have put 5 Oreo biscuits. You can put more if you want. Then generously we'll put some Nutella, and as much as you like. You can put that much. Though I have put 2 tablespoons. Once we are done putting Nutella, we'll just go ahead and put 2 big scoops of vanilla ice cream. I prefer Amul vanilla ice cream. I don't like quality walls at all. Amul vanilla ice cream is much better. Then we'll just blend it so that we'll get the thick shake ready, and we'll put some Nutella in the glass. Then we'll put the shake on top of it, and on top of this we'll add some more scoop of ice cream. As much as you like. Then I have roasted and kept some cashew nuts, and I've not made, these are not salted. You can just put on top of it. You can even put some chocolate chips or whatever you like. I hope you like the recipe. Happy summers. Bye bye. Take care.